makakamit nila dito. Meron po silang mga prizes na mga panalunan. Kaya Liz, sabihin mo na po.
Yes, that's right, because tonight is all about celebrating the passion and cheering for our local talent.
Okay, Liz, umpisa ng muna natin sa pinakamababang prizes na makakimit nila. Paano naman may suspense nila?
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Of course, our 7 finalists will receive a consolation prize worth 10,000 pesos. Alam mo, partner? Yes, of course, we have our esteemed panel of judges. Our first judge is an R&B and house artist from Pasig City. They've also been the backup vocalist of Ines Morena for several events such as Morato Most Wanted, Fox Video Season 5, and Vogue event at Iloilo City and more. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our first judge, Mr. Belman Matania.
Alam mo ng Los Tangsur. And of course, Miss Dean, our next judge is a celebrated camp director and musical arranger. He is a former band director of Mothers Political Colleges Foundation, musical director of FCR, Florencio Concepcion Realuyo Foundation Camp, and the owner of Marine Sports Zone in Nagas City. He has a musician and arranger with Kamsur Melody Orchestra for 25 years. Kaya Kamsur, a big hand to Sir Edgar Estrada.
Our next judge is the Philstep awardee and the singer-songwriter. She is known for her heartfelt lyrics and soulful performances. She is also the host of the educational show Wildlife Matters on Live TV and founder and director of Wildlife Matters Organization Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge, Miss Joyce Torreso.
And also for our next judge, an award-winning violinist and music educator. He holds a third degree in education, hits music.
Again, ang ating third placer ay mag-uwi lamang ng 100,000 pesos in cash.
Oh, and siyempre, pinaasahan sa second place, 150,000 pesos.
And of course, the young winner for this year's Battle of the Bands will bring home at 250,000 pesos in cash.
Ha? 50 kayo. Makawat ka mga ikaw eh, makawat. Pagkatapos mo na yata. Oo, pagkatapos mo na. Ito sa ano. At dyan na, dyan.
What an amazing first 4 lines!
Ay, baka magtalbog sa mata.
Pero malayo pa tayo sa huli. And now, for our
Lemon.
it's all voices.
Dart pala dyan sa kabalyo. Wow! Magda-dart dyan. Remember? No. Ano yan, boy? Yan, sa baba lang. Ay! Wala na. Better luck next time. Mag-dart ka man, boy. Pira ba yan? 7. Oh, sige na. Oh! Ano ba yan, ma? Gurano yan ang pitong ano? Ano ba yan? Goodbye, 50! Sige na, 50 pang ano? Pito pang ano, dart. Pito pang dart. Kuha na mawin pito pang dart. Maduruson pa. Ay, sabi. Wale! Ay! Ay! Hirapon! Tinawa na lang ang lugod ka mo. Consolation prize. Sabi siguro consolation prize na lang sa inyo. People like yan si Jimina. Wala na po, close na, magko-close na. Yes.